Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow root easy method. Chop dried roots into small pieces and simmer gently in water to release the mucilage. Use low heat and avoid boiling rapidly so the sticky texture stays intact. Strain through a fine mesh or cheesecloth and cool before storing in a clean jar. I'll guide you step by step so it's cozy, safe, and easy to replicate at home. Begin by measuring the dried root and water, then place them in a saucepan and bring to a gentle simmer. Keep the heat low and avoid a rolling boil, which can break down beneficial mucilage. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes while stirring occasionally and watching the texture. Remove from heat, let it cool slightly, and strain through a fine mesh or cheesecloth into a sterile glass jar for storage. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple herbal tutorials and cozy kitchen guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is my go-to for staying hydrated during long infusions and messy prep. It seals well, stays cold, and fits easily on counters. I've linked the bottle in the description along with other useful deals, so check there for details, and now let's get back to the video. Once strained and chilled, your marshmallow root infusion is ready for multiple gentle uses. Keep it refrigerated in a sealed glass jar and use within 1 week for best freshness. Apply as a warm compress for irritated skin, sip small amounts for throat relief, or sweeten lightly to make a soothing syrup. Always reheat gently and avoid alcohol or strong acids that can degrade the mucilage and reduce effectiveness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.